The OnStream Group is active in manpower, logistics and asset integrity. We have offices in Kazakhstan, Africa, Gabon, Nigeria and the northwest of Europe.
For me, the most important value in the OnStream world is that of integrity. Integrity means doing what we say and saying what we do, both for our clients and our consultants.
The real value during these annual meetings is the interpersonal relationships you get to build with the managers from the different regions, and it creates a real team spirit, and I think that's really what OnStream is all about.
As we do every year, we bring all our managers together, but this year it's a very special year for us. It's our 30th anniversary, and the company has been growing and developing. We've grown our different service lines around the world, and we've got some great people here, and it's great to see them enjoy their evening. So we've grown during tough times, we've opened new markets in emerging markets, which has not always been very easy, but we've thrived, and we've always managed to do that through our great people.
We have to enjoy this event to celebrate OnStream and all the achievements that were made. I think it all gets down to the people. The people makes the company, and the employees work very hard all year long in all locations to provide the best services ever, and I think you can see today that there is a lot of cohesion between people, and that's, I think, what makes the success of it.
Well, it has been a great night. Everybody enjoyed the museum and the dinner and now the dancing. And I think they will remember that for a long time.